Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know how you can unlink your WhatsApp from Facebook account. To unlink your WhatsApp from Facebook account, you just have to follow the simple steps. So what you have to do is first thing first, open up your Facebook application and then log in. Once logged in, you want to go to your profile and click on your profile page. As you go to profile, you can see this sort of page. So here you want to go to edit profile. As you go to edit profile, scroll down a bit and you can find this option as link profile or link. So you could find add social link. In my case, I haven't linked a WhatsApp. So in order to link or unlink it, you just have to go ahead and press the remove button, and this way you'll be able to remove or unlink your WhatsApp from Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.